We've all been there. You sign up for a service with a flashy app and features galore, but then comes the not-so-fun part, actually getting your money out. Today, we're tackling a viewer question: how to withdraw money from Vivid. Vivid promises a modern banking experience, but with so many new financial apps popping up, it's natural to wonder, is it easy to access your cash? The good news is, yes, you can withdraw money from Vivid. But there are a few things to keep in mind before you head to the ATM. Understanding Vivid accounts. First, a quick rundown on Vivid accounts. They offer two main options. Standard account: this is a free account with basic features, including a debit card for purchases. Prime account: this premium account comes with a monthly fee, but unlocks additional benefits like priority customer support and unlimited ATM fee reimbursements. ATM withdrawals. Now, onto the withdrawals. Here's what you need to know. Standard account: with a standard account, you get one free ATM withdrawal per month. After that, Vivid charges an ATM fee that varies depending on the ATM provider. Prime account holders get their ATM fees reimbursed, unlimited. This means you can withdraw cash as often as you need without worrying about extra charges. Important note: there's a catch: these ATM fee reimbursements only apply to in-network ATMs. Vivid partners with specific ATM providers, so be sure to check the app or their website to find an in-network ATM before you go. Alternative withdrawal methods. Maybe ATMs aren't your thing. Luckily, Vivid offers a couple of other ways to access your cash. Mobile money transfers: send money directly to another person's bank account using the Vivid app. This is a convenient option for splitting bills or sending cash to friends and family. Debit card purchases: of course, you can always use your Vivid debit card for everyday purchases. This is a great way to avoid ATM fees altogether. Final thoughts. So, there you have it. Withdrawing money from Vivid is straightforward, but understanding the fee structure and withdrawal options based on your account type is key. Remember, standard accounts get one free ATM withdrawal per month, with fees for subsequent withdrawals. Prime accounts get unlimited ATM fee reimbursements, but only for in-network ATMs. Mobile money transfers and debit card purchases offer alternative ways to access your cash. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.